we'll talk about how can you find free rates on your breed app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next. So you just click here on free rates here, just click on it. When you just click here on free rates, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then here can you send free rates to give a rate, and here can you get a rate if you have it. It's going to show for you in this list here. Like you see here, I have no free rate yet, but if you have it, it's going to show for you in this list on your breed app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.